P-block element questions. 1 mark. Why is boron used in nuclear reactions? Answer. Because boron can absorb neutrons. 2. Why? By giving a balanced equation, show how B bracket OH taken thrice behaves as an acid in water. Answer. B OH taken thrice plus 2 HOH gives bracket B OH taken 4 times bracket close minus on top plus H3O plus. Third question. Name the element of group 14 which exhibits maximum tendency for catenation. Answer. Carbon. Fourth. What is the basic building unit of all silicates? Answer. SiO4 4- is the basic unit of all silicates. 5. What happens when NaBH4 reacts with iodine? Answer. 2NaBH4 plus I2 gives B2H6 plus 2NaI plus H2. 6. What happens when boric acid is heated? 4H3BO3 gives 4HBO2 plus H2B4O7. What is producer gas? Producer gas is a mixture of CO and N2 in the ratio of 2:1. Write the state of hybridization of B in BF3. Answer. Hybridization of B in BF3 is sp2. Mention the state of hybridization in B in BH4. Answer. sp3. Which oxide of carbon is regarded as anhydride of carbonic acid? Answer. CO2 is regarded as a hydride of carbonic acid because H2CO3 gives H2O plus CO2. 2 mark questions. 1. Give the chemical reaction as an evidence for each of the following observations. Tin 2 is a reducing agent whereas lead 2 is not. And gallium 1 undergoes disproportionation reaction. Answer. Due to inert pair effect, Pb2 plus is more stable than Pb4 plus, whereas SN4 plus is more stable than SN2 plus. And second, 3Ga plus gives 2Ga plus Ga3 plus. This is because Ga3 plus is more stable than Ga plus. Question 2. What happens when 1. Quicklime is heated with coke and 2. Carbon monoxide reacts with Cl2? Answer. 1. CaO plus 3C gives CaC2 plus CO, and second is CO plus Cl2 gives CoCl2. Give reason. C and Si are always tetravalent, but Ge, Sn, Pb show divalency. Gallium has a higher ionization enthalpy than Al. Explain. Answer. 1. Ge, Sn, Pb show divalency due to inert pair effect. Pb2 plus is more stable than Pb4 plus. 2. Due to poor shielding effect of d electrons in Ga, effective nuclear charge increases as compared to Al. Thus, Ie is higher than Al. 4. Give reason why boron and aluminium tend to form covalent compounds. Answer. Sum of 3 ionization of both the element are very high. Thus, they have no tendency to lose electrons to form ionic compound. Instead, they form covalent compounds. 5. If BCl bond has a dipole moment, explain why BCl3 molecule 0 has 0 dipole moment. Answer. BCl bond has dipole moment because of polarity. In BCl3, since the molecule is symmetrical, thus polarities cancel out. 6. Suggest a reason as to why CO is poisonous. Answer. CO reacts with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which can destroy the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin, and man dies of suffocation. 7. What do you understand by inert pair effect? The pair of electron in the valence shell does not take part in bond formation. It is called inert pair effect. B. Allotropy. It is the property of the element by which an element can exist in two forms which have same chemical properties but different physical properties due to their structures. 8. How is excessive content of CO2 responsible for global warming? Answer. Excess of CO2 absorbs heat radiated by the Earth. Some of it dissipated into the atmosphere while the remaining part is radiated back to the Earth. Temperature of the Earth increases. 9. Describe two similarities and two dissimilarities between B and Al. Answer. Similarities are both have the same number of valence electrons and both have similar electronic configuration. Dissimilarities. Bismuth is a non-metal whereas Al is a metal. Second, B forms acidic oxide whereas Al forms atmospheric oxides. 10. What are fullerene? How are they prepared? Answer. Fullerene are allotropes of carbon. Its structure is like a soccer ball. They are prepared by heating graphite in electric arc in presence of inert gases such as helium or argon. 3-mark questions. 1. What happens when A. Borax is heated strongly, B. Boric acid is added to water, and C. Aluminium is treated with dilute NaOH? A. Na2B4O7.10H2O gives Na2B4O7 gives 2NaBO2 plus B2O3. B. BOH taken thrice plus H2O gives bracket B OH taken 4 times bracket close raised to negative plus H plus. C. 2Al plus 2NaOH plus H2O gives 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2O. Explain the following reactions. A. Silicon is heated with methyl chloride at high temperature in the presence of copper. Answer. A mixture of mono, di and trimethyl chlorosilanes along with a small amount of tetramethylsilane is formed. CH3Cl plus Si gives CH3SiCl3 plus CH3 taken twice SiCl2 plus CH3 taken thrice SiCl plus CH3 taken 4 times Si. B. Silicon dioxide is treated with hydrogen fluoride. B. The initially formed silicon tetrafluoride dissolves in HF to form hydrofluorosilicic acid. SiO2 plus 2HF gives SiF4 plus 2H2O. SiF4 plus 2HF gives H2SiF6 and CO. Question C. CO is heated with ZnO. C. ZnO is reduced to zinc metal. ZnO plus CO gives Zn plus CO2. 3. Give reasons. Diamond is used as an abrasive because diamond is an extremely hard substance. B. Aluminium alloys are used to make aircraft body. B. Alloys of aluminium like duralium is used to make aircraft body due to some of its properties. C. Aluminium utensils should not be kept in water overnight. C. Generally, aluminium metal does not react with water quickly, but when it is kept overnight, it reacts slowly with the water in presence of air. 2Al solid plus O2 gas plus H2O liquid gives Al2O3 solid plus H2 gas. 4. A certain salt X gives the following results. 1. Its aqueous solution is alkaline to litmus, that is Na2B4O7 plus 10H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2B4O7 plus 8H2O. 2. It swells up to a glassy material Y on strong heating, that is Na2B4O7 gives 2NaBO2 plus B2O3. Third, when concentrated H2SO4 is added to a hot solution of X, white crystal of an acid Z separates out. Na2B4O7 plus 10H2O plus H2SO4 gives 4H3BO3 plus Na2SO4 plus 5H2O. 5. Draw structure of diborane. It is the one with 2 B's and 6 H's, where 2 H's of both the B's are joined, and the one on top has a dotted structure, dotted bond going to it. That is 133 picometers, and the bonds from B to H are 119 picometers, and the angle between the inner edges for the B's is 97 degrees, and the edges on the outside is 122 degrees. 5 mark questions. Yeah.